Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at the specific maintenance strategies and technologies that trucking companies are using to stay ahead and keep their fleets in top shape. Telematics and diagnostics. In today's world, technology plays a pivotal role in fleet management. Trucking companies increasingly utilize telematics and onboard diagnostics to monitor vehicle health in real time. These systems provide vital data that enable companies to act quickly when issues arise, minimizing downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. Key benefits of telematics include real-time monitoring, keeps track of engine performance, fuel usage, and maintenance needs. Predictive maintenance identifies potential issues before they become serious problems. Driver behavior analysis helps improve driving practices, leading to safer roads and better fuel efficiency. By integrating telematics into their fleet maintenance strategy, trucking companies can proactively manage the health of their vehicles, ensuring they remain on the road longer and operate more efficiently. Effective fleet maintenance strategies. To keep a trucking fleet running smoothly, effective maintenance strategies are essential. These practices help prevent issues before they arise, reduce downtime, and improve safety. By implementing a few key strategies, trucking companies can maximize their efficiency and ensure their vehicles remain roadworthy. Implementing preventative maintenance programs. Scheduling regular maintenance checks is a foundational element of fleet management. Preventative maintenance acts like a routine health check for trucks. It catches small problems before they escalate. The benefits include reduced breakdown risks. Regular inspections can identify wear and tear on parts, preventing sudden failures. Cost effectiveness. Fixing a minor issue, like replacing a worn belt, is more economical than managing a breakdown. Extended vehicle lifespan. Routine care helps keep trucks running well for years, saving on replacement costs. When maintenance is planned, companies can budget expenses more accurately and avoid surprise costs. Utilizing fleet management software. Digital tools are transforming how fleets manage maintenance tracking and scheduling. Fleet management software centralizes data, making it easier for companies to monitor vehicle conditions. Here's how it helps. Streamlined maintenance tracking. Automates reminders for routine services, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Comprehensive reporting. Provides insights into maintenance history, helping managers make informed decisions on repairs and replacements. Enhanced communication. Allows drivers to quickly report issues, keeping everyone in the loop about vehicle status. Using software to track maintenance can cut the administrative load, leaving more time for focusing on core business operations. Training and educating drivers. Drivers play a crucial role in fleet maintenance. Educating them on routine checks and how to report issues promptly can significantly impact overall vehicle health. Consider these training focuses. Routine inspections. Teach drivers how to visually inspect their trucks, looking for tire pressure, fluid levels, and warning lights. Reporting protocols. Ensure drivers know how to document and report any problems they encounter, allowing for timely repairs. Safe driving practices. Reinforce the importance of driving habits that minimize strain on the vehicle, such as avoiding sudden stops. Well-trained drivers can act as the first line of defense against potential maintenance issues. Their vigilance can lead to quicker interventions and less downtime. Working with professional maintenance providers. Many trucking companies partner with experienced third-party maintenance providers for inspections, repairs, and ongoing maintenance. Working with the right professionals ensures quality service, faster repairs, and reliability. These experts can provide preventative services, offer regular checkups and minor repairs to keep trucks in top shape. Perform specialized tasks. Handle complex issues, like engine diagnostics or electrical repairs, that require expertise. Deliver emergency support. Available for breakdowns, ensuring minimal disruption to operations. Forming long-term relationships with professionals in the industry can enhance maintenance strategies and boost fleet reliability. Budget constraints. Limited budgets can significantly impact how trucking companies approach maintenance. With rising operational costs, many companies struggle to allocate sufficient funds for regular upkeep. This can lead to delayed maintenance schedules and, ultimately, increased risks. When money is tight, maintenance often gets pushed aside in favor of immediate business needs. Imagine trying to keep a car running on a shoestring budget. It's nearly impossible to avoid costly breakdowns. The cycle continues as fewer repairs lead to unexpected breakdowns that are pricey and disruptive. To manage these constraints, trucking companies can adopt a few strategies. Prioritize essential repairs. Focus on critical maintenance tasks first to ensure safety. Create a maintenance reserve. Set aside a small percentage of annual income specifically for unexpected repairs. Explore cost-effective solutions. Consider in-house repairs for minor issues, reducing dependence on outside services. By addressing budget limitations head-on, companies can ensure their maintenance needs are met without sacrificing financial stability. Managing large fleets. The larger the fleet, the more challenging maintenance becomes. Coordinating schedules, keeping track of each vehicle's condition, and ensuring compliance with regulations can quickly become overwhelming. Companies often find themselves buried in paperwork and trying to use manual tracking systems that simply don't cut it. To simplify the complexity of managing large fleets, many companies turn to specialized tools and technology. Fleet management software can centralize information, keep all maintenance records in one easy-to-access location, automate reminders, schedule routine checks so nothing falls through the cracks, generate reports, provide insights into vehicle health, helping management prioritize repairs and budgets. By utilizing effective management tools, companies can streamline their maintenance process and ensure they stay on top of their vehicle needs. Dealing with unplanned repairs. Unplanned repairs can strike at the most inconvenient times, often leading to costly downtime and scheduling headaches. When a truck breaks down unexpectedly, it impacts schedules, delays deliveries, and can frustrate drivers. The ripple effect of these breakdowns can be felt throughout the entire operation. Preparation is key in minimizing the fallout from unforeseen issues. Trucking companies can implement several proactive measures, develop emergency protocols, create clear procedures for handling breakdowns, so drivers know exactly what to do. Maintain a spare parts inventory. Stock commonly needed parts to address repairs quickly. Train drivers in basic troubleshooting. Equip drivers with the skills to detect minor issues before they escalate. By embracing a proactive approach, companies can significantly reduce the impact of unexpected repairs and maintain operational efficiency. Sustainability practices. Sustainability is becoming a priority for many trucking companies. As environmental concerns rise, so does the demand for eco-friendly maintenance practices. Companies are adopting strategies that minimize their carbon footprint and promote sustainability. Here are ways in which trucking companies can incorporate sustainability into their maintenance practices. Eco-friendly products. Using biodegradable oils and fluids can reduce environmental impacts. Waste reduction. Implementing recycling programs for parts and materials leads to less waste. Energy-efficient facilities. Updating maintenance shops with energy-efficient lighting and equipment cuts down on energy use. By adopting sustainable practices, companies not only benefit the environment but also enhance their reputation among clients and consumers who prioritize eco-friendly initiatives. These future trends will play a crucial role in how trucking companies approach fleet maintenance, leading to more efficient, safe, and sustainable operations. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.